Which bathroom exhaust fan is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Sieski Universal Bathroom Vent Fan Motor. The Sieski Universal Bathroom Vent Exhaust Fan Motor caught my eye because of its impressive price at just $19.49. It's a bestseller, and for good reason. If you want a reliable replacement motor that gets your existing fan back in shape, this is worth a serious look. With a noise level of only 1.5 suns, it's quieter than a whisper, so you can enjoy your time without distractions. Plus, its durability is a game changer, made from moisture-resistant materials to withstand your bathroom's humidity. It fits various popular brands like Newtone and Dayton, which means you likely won't have to deal with compatibility issues. Over 889 reviews back it up with a solid 4.4-star rating, too. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy, you'll find it straightforward. But if DIY isn't your thing, you might want to consider hiring someone, which could add to your costs. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable motor replacement on a budget. Skip this one if you're looking for a full exhaust fan unit instead of just the motor. For $19.49, it offers great value. Now, if that installation concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Comfort Zone Twin Window Fan. The Comfort Zone Twin Window Fan is another solid choice, priced at $38.67. Its dual-speed control and reversible airflow caught my attention. If you're looking to enhance ventilation in your home, this is worth a serious look. This fan can push out hot air or pull in refreshing breezes, making it incredibly versatile. With a flow rate of 272 cubic feet per minute, it's perfect for rooms that need a quick cool down. The auto-locking expanders ensure a snug fit, so you don't have to worry about it falling out of the window. Over 13,300 reviews give it a rating of 4.2 stars, proving it's a popular option that's reliable. Now, some users mentioned it can be a bit noisy on high speed. But here's the thing, if you use the low setting while sleeping, it's perfectly manageable and creates a soothing background noise that might even help you fall asleep faster. This is perfect for you if you want versatile airflow options for your home. Skip this one if you need a more permanent installation, as this is designed for window use. For its price, it's a good deal for the features it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more permanent solution. Product number 3, Panasonic WhisperFit Retrofit Fan. The Panasonic WhisperFit Retrofit Ceiling Mount Bathroom Exhaust Fan comes in at $135.99. What really stood out to me was its customizable airflow options. If you want something that's efficient and quiet, this is worth a serious look. It uses SmartFlow technology for optimal performance, making it one of the quietest fans out there. You won't even know it's running. Plus, the installation is super easy with its Flexi-Fast bracket, making it ideal for retrofitting into existing spaces. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,500 reviews, it clearly delivers. Now, some people said it's a bit pricier than other options. But here's the thing, if you're serious about better ventilation and sound reduction, the investment pays off in comfort and air quality. This is perfect for you if you're upgrading or renovating your bathroom. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just need a basic fan. For the price, it's a top-quality option. Now, if the price tag worried you, let's look at something more budget-friendly. Product number 4, Braun Newtone Bathroom Exhaust Fan. The Braun Newtone Bathroom Exhaust Fan is an affordable option at just $21.98. Its modern grille design and Energy Star certification caught my attention. If you're looking for a good value without sacrificing performance, this is worth a serious look. With a capacity of 50 CFM, it's great for bathrooms up to 45 square feet, efficiently removing odors and moisture. Operating at only 2 suns, it keeps the noise to a minimum, which is perfect for those late-night bathroom trips. Plus, the installation process is designed for convenience with foldable mounting brackets, making it easy to set up. With over 585 reviews, this fan has a solid 4.6-star rating, proving its reliability. Now, some users found the airflow might not be sufficient for larger spaces. But here's the thing, it's ideal for smaller bathrooms or powder rooms, and at this price point, it offers excellent value for what you're getting. This is perfect for you if you need an efficient, budget-friendly solution. Skip this one if your bathroom is larger and requires more powerful ventilation. It's a great bang for your buck. Now, if you want something with a bit more power, the last option on our list might interest you. Product number 5, Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan. The Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan is another great choice priced at $46.99. What impressed me was its low noise level combined with decent airflow. If you need a quiet yet efficient fan, this one is definitely worth a serious look. With an airflow capacity of 80 cfm, it efficiently clears out steam and moisture in bathrooms up to 80 square feet. Operating at just one suns, it's one of the quietest options available, so you can relax without distraction. The easy installation process means you can mount it quickly without needing attic access, making it great for retrofits. With a 4.5-star rating from 224 reviews, it shows that many users are satisfied. Now, some customers mention that the ducting isn't the most flexible. But here's the thing, if you're using standard ducting, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, and the fan itself performs well in terms of noise and efficiency. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a balance of performance and quiet operation. Skip this one if you need a fan for a larger space. For its price, it strikes a good balance between quality and cost. To wrap things up, we covered the Saiski Universal Motor for budget-friendly repairs, the Comfort Zone Twin Fan for versatility, the Panasonic WhisperFit for premium performance, the Brone New Tone for efficient smaller spaces, and the Amico for quiet operation. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, so choose wisely.